Hello, very good morning. Welcome to JS Testing Academy. Welcome to the next part of video in the JavaScript series. Okay, so hope you saw the installation video in the last video. Now this video is going to be very simple topic, that is variables. Okay, so in everywhere, all languages, we need to create variables, right? We used to create variables for initializing and driver, right, in the automation world, right? So we use, right, a lot of places variables in the automation world. Okay, so let's understand how to create a variable. Before that, we need to execute, right. Hope you all installed Visual Studio Code and opened the IDE in front of you. Okay, so now what you are going to do is, right, first we need to create a file here. Okay, for creating a file we should go to the menu. In the menu we have file, right, we should click it, and we should have click the new file there in the under the file menu. Okay, now let's click the new file. New file will be open. Let's give a file name variable. So right, we need to write save it as, right, JavaScript. So we need to give the file name .js and click enter, so that the file name is saved, and we should save in any one folder under downloads or whatever way where you want to save it. Okay, let me create a folder in downloads, right, JS JavaScript, and I'll save it. Okay. So now what we will do is, right. So we created a file name .js. So it's going to be JavaScript file. Okay. Now we need to run this also. For that, what we need to do is we need to add one extension here. Okay. For that, we need to go to the here the three, right, four blocks, right. We should click, there is an extension block. We should click it there. We should go and type code runner here in the search bar. Type code runner, and we need to add that extension in our IDE. Okay, click install, and you should install this code runner so that you can execute the code which you are writing in the IDE. Okay, this is one way, or you can go directly to the file in the place where we stored, and you double click it, that is going to execute. Okay, yeah, you can run in the command prompt. We can write, go to the file, go to the command prompt, then you can execute. Let me show one way, and I can show in the that way also. So if I run code runner, you can see a play button here, right, that you can, with the help of this, clicking this, you can run this code. Let me show you one way. Okay, first we'll write one small very simple line, how to print with the help of the JavaScript. Okay, let me write the code now. Okay, console dot log. Okay, so in C sharp we use, right, console dot write line we used to give, right. In Java I give sys out, right. So there are different languages, right. We use different words, right. Here we, in the JavaScript world, we give console dot log to print it. Okay, so let me print hello JS Testing Academy. Hello JS Testing Academy. Okay, let me run it. Okay, so after installing the code runner, I'm just going to run it. Okay, first save it, then run it. Okay, then if I run, it's going to print, right, hello JS Testing Academy, it's going to print it. Okay, as I told you, there is another way, right. We should go to the folder where we save the file. Okay, but there you should give command. It goes to the command prompt, the path of the file, there you should give command prompt, then you should type node variable.js. If I click run it, it's going to print. Okay, so there are two ways we can run the JavaScript file. Okay, now let's go to the Visual Studio Code. Let's go to the topic variables. Okay, so in JavaScript, okay, variables can be declared, right, in three ways. Okay, one is with var keyword, next with let keyword, next with constant keyword. Okay, so you can create, right, three types, right, in way constant we'll see in the next video. Now let's going to see the with the help of the let. Okay, so where we can be used globally and let will be used right within the block. Okay, that is a difference between it. Where, and if I give where and the right variable, it's going to use access globally. If I give let, right, it's going to be used within the block. Okay, now let's right, initialize a variable here, let. Okay, now one variable here, okay, testing. Okay, let variable testing and give semicolon, a testing variable has been initialized here. Okay, now I'll use the testing equal to, okay, selenium. Okay, then it's right, I added a value to the testing variable. Then again I'll give console.log, then I'll give testing here. I give testing, that is going to print selenium. Okay, these are all very basics, right? To understand, I'll run the runner button which is there in the Visual Studio. Then it should print selenium there. Okay, you can see it printed selenium. Okay, so this is how we can initialize a variable in the JavaScript file. Okay, so next let me give let testing 1 equal to, I can initialize the right directly, also give assign values directly also. Okay, testing 1 equal to apm. Okay, I can, this is also one way you can directly add values to the variable. Okay, console.log testing 1, so it should print apm also now. Okay, it printed apm also. Okay, so these are the ways we can initialize the variable with the help of let keyword. We'll see constant and where within the future videos. Okay, thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day. Bye, meet you soon in the next part of video.